Hello everyone, welcome to this live. Okay, in this live I'm going to talk about our timesheet software. It is developed using PHP and MySQL. I have already uploaded some videos for giving demo about our timesheet, as well as I explained a detailed video more than 1.5 hours about how to create timesheet application. Okay, you can watch those old videos if you like them. Okay, if you want to see them. Okay, this live is for giving any additional details if someone is asking. Okay, so I'm just planning to do it frequently, because in the yesterday live itself I mentioned that I'm planning to start new version of timesheet. I am planning to create that. Okay, so I would like to get more feedback so that I can work on effectively. But I will be taking some time to start doing it, but I'm planning to collect data. So instead of just sharing the links and just running PPC campaigns, from that I'm not going to get more information or feedback, right? So I'm planning to make use of this opportunity live, YouTube live, for that purpose. Okay. This is just starting, but I'm planning to give more details about development perspective also. But I already did one live for doing that, but I'm planning to do it in very detailed way. Even I'm planning to give some tutorials about PHP, overview about web development and MySQL, like that. Whatever I know, I'm planning to share with everyone. Okay. This is our timesheet sales page. Okay. If you want to see the demo, you can click this live demo, or if you want to just see the screenshot, you can click this screenshot link. Okay, the screenshot will open our blog. It's a blog post. So first I will just go through screenshot, then we can see the live demo. Okay. Before going in detail, I would like to give some overview about this timesheet. I mean, the unique advantage of this timesheet. Okay, though we created very long back in the year 2000, around 10, that time period, still it is very usable. Okay, and right now I'm not seeing any competitor who is providing the timesheet software with the source code. It's a very unique opportunity if someone is willing to buy it. Okay, because if you are going for cloud-based timesheet services, okay, in that case you need to pay for every employee, right? And you need to pay for every month. So initially they will be providing a lot of offer, very huge discounts for getting into their system, and then it's almost locked with them, right? So whenever you expand your team, you cannot come out from that, because your data will be there. It will be looking like a very tedious task to move from that timesheet. So obviously whenever they increase the price, and whatever reason, you have to stick with them, right? So instead of doing that, if you go with your own system, you will be having a lot of advantages. Like you can do any kind of changes. Okay, your data will be with you. Even you can create new kind of reports as your database is available with you. And moreover, it is PHP MySQL. So even if I'm not available to do any kind of custom changes or any kind of maintenance work, you can find a lot of freelancers for doing that for you, like a freelance site like Fiverr or Upwork, like a lot of places you can hire them. Since we provide with source code, they will be able to make that change. Okay. But in case if I'm available, it is better to hire me for doing changes, because I will be able to do it very quickly, because we are doing a lot of custom changes for many years, right? So we gather a lot of experience so that we can work quickly, and it will save a lot of time. That means it will be like a low price for you. That is the key thing, the source code. Source code, that means full control. Okay, you can see the style, change the styles so that it will be like integrated with your own website, and you will be having full control regarding data. Okay, and you can generate different kinds of reports by adding some additional coding. Okay, or if you are good at analyzing database, you can directly go through a database. Okay, so first let me check any questions there. 1 second. Okay, no questions, so I will be just continuing that. Okay, and another thing is some people are using paper-based timesheet, right? That is unnecessarily wasting paper and time, and you cannot create new reports, and you cannot view all the old reports also. It is very difficult to manage the paper-based timesheets, right? And some people are using Excel macro kind of stuff. That also not that much maintenance. From maintenance perspective, it is not that much useful. Even from reporting other stuff, it's not that much useful. In case of web-based application, you can get notifications or whatever features you want to add, you can easily add it in that. But in case of Excel, it is very difficult to do that. Almost we cannot do that things, notification other stuffs. Okay. But if you are already having Mega Excel other things, maybe I can work on to create some import script to bring it into this software, because it's open source, right? I mean source code available with you, right? So you can even if you are good at development, or if you are able to hire any developer, even you can do by yourself. Okay. So it is very unique advantage. Actually, I set the very low price only, $80 I set, but right now I am giving with the offer price of just $40. Okay, even in case of you are in India, if you are able to make payment through GPay, UPI, it is just 800 rupees, but in the initial days only, during offer period, right? Suppose if I'm getting more sales and I need to spend a lot of time in doing support and custom changes, I will be stopping the discount offer. Okay, so in that case, whenever the discount is available, you can make use of that. I will be providing the discount offer frequently. Whenever I have free time, I will be providing free. Not free, completely free, but almost it's comparing even it is 1 month payment in case of you are going for cloud based. By just paying for 1 month, you will be having your own system. Okay, but the reason why people are hesitating to implement their own timesheet is they are thinking that setting up the server, setting up everything is very difficult, like that they are thinking. But in fact, it is very easy and inexpensive. Almost all the web hosting providers, Linux hosting, they are set up with PHP, MySQL. So just you can buy the script and set up it. Set up in the sense, just run the install script. You need to provide the database name and your email. Okay, so I did login. Just 4 things as mentioned here in the screenshot. You can see, right? So just very basic things only you need to give, and just give install. That's it. So immediately you can start using it. Okay. It is very easy to use, very simple. That's way we designed. Actually, I thought of adding more features and stuff, but a lot of reviews and whoever bought this, that customers are saying that it's okay for them. So almost they will be. They used to ask me like small changes, like correcting the, I mean, changing the date format according to their own time zone, and changing the week starting. Suppose some people will be using it Monday as start, and some will be considering Sunday as start of the week. Okay, like that kind of small changes, and we did a lot of customization of adding new features, like adding new level of including task, that kind of stuff, and implementing overtime related stuff. I thought of including all those features in the main software also, but if I'm doing that kind of stuff again, that simplicity will be spoiled. So okay, I can keep the simple version. It's very basic version, and it's like complete version also. It can be used for client billing and employee management, project management, whatever thing basically record for any kind of startup, or even for any freelancer for billing purpose. It can be used. There is no problem with that. Okay, so I thought of keeping as it is, but just I'm exploring like options of creating new version. So I will be just updating you in the coming, like, whatever findings I'm doing. Okay, but as of now, my plan is first I'm going to start a very simple timesheet generator application. Okay, so if you give your company name and week, start date, something, it will be creating printable sheet so that you can print it. Okay, some weekly or whatever. This just I'm exploring it. Okay, then if there is a need to change entirely, I'll be doing it. But as of now, I'm planning to keep both copies, this simple version of complete timesheet application, and newly created separate version, symbol like timesheet generator stuff. Mostly I will be providing as free, that one. Okay, just for promoting this timesheet application. Okay, so this is just running the script, and once after everything, you have to log in into site admin. The reason for keeping this site admin is for allowing multiple companies. So if you are a developer, you can just run it as a service for supporting various companies. Okay. Initially I thought of providing that kind of service, but I'm just planning to stick with my own unique advantage of coding. So I'm just giving it with source code so that any developer can implement as a service. Okay, but they need to make some payment systems, other things. So but in case if you're a company and you have multiple departments, maybe you can use it for multiple departments. You can have one admin for each department. Okay, that is the reason for keeping this site admin login. Otherwise, if you don't need it, just log in one time, create one admin and approve that admin, then you can forget about site admin. So after that, you can just log in as admin and do all the admin activities, creating employees, for creating projects, all the stuff. Okay, here you can log in as admin, and you can do employee management, project management, and seeing report, so default list, like that. Okay, so the some fields may not be recorded in this time period, but anyway, if you don't want to use those fields, just you can leave it. Okay, so this weekly, this is very important one. Most of the people are using this screen only. Okay, so we the reason for hesitating like hesitating for starting new version is this screen. Actually, we did lot of updates. Okay, so if you are in software testing, you might be understanding that thing. So it is very difficult to fix all the bugs at a time. Okay, even if you are doing thorough testing, definitely you will be seeing some kind of bugs whenever we use it or user uses it. Okay, so that way it got stabilized. It is now very robust and very useful and reliable. In case of timesheet, reliability is very important, right? That is the main reason I'm hesitating to start the changes. Okay, so as of now, I will be keeping it, and that is the reason why I'm planning to start new version completely from the scratch, and I will be doing the same thing. I will be adding new features one by one based on the requirements. Okay, so the plan is one timesheet application, one timesheet generator application. So I will be keep on improving that one. This one it will be stabilized at this level. Okay, so this is daily and default list report. It's a very powerful report. You can see the demo by yourself. You can see like combination of employees, project, time period. This one also we tested very thoroughly. Okay, that is the reason why I'm keeping with this version, though it's looking like bit outdated. But from design perspective, look and feel, you can change the styles, right? So that's this is exporting the data as CSV as well as PDF. Okay. Okay. if you want to buy it from PayPal, you can click this here button. Okay. In case if you are in India, you can contact me by sending email to me for getting my UPI ID. Okay. Once after making payment, you have to contact me again to get the download link. But in case of PayPal, the download link will be appearing automatically immediately once after you make the payment. In case you missed to download that time, always you can contact me for getting the download link. Okay. In that case, make sure that you send email from the whatever email you used for making the payment. Okay. So demo, you can see here there are two things: admin and the user here there. So you can see all the demo by yourself. Okay. You can add employees, manage, and even unlock the timesheet. Suppose if someone entered wrongly, okay, but admin has to do that. So almost all are very self-explanatory only. Or if you need any details, you can see this video also. Actually, I provided one video for explaining this demo video. Okay. This one is about development perspective. In case of like if you want to see the tutorial of development, you can see this one. Okay. But it's basically very simple only. Okay. But really useful. That is what I learned from my customers. Actually, I hesitated to sell it this one, but because of the good feedback I got from my existing customers, I thought of continuing the sales. Okay. Thanks. Bye.